We're outside a hospital in Nottinghamshire where Sir Keir Starmer and Wes Streeting, the Shadow Health Secretary, have been meeting patients and hospital staff, honing in on their offer for the NHS, which includes a promise to end all waits of over 18 weeks for elective treatment within the first 5 years of taking power. That backlog currently stands at 3.2 million. The current government has missed its target on this for almost a decade. So Labour are seizing on this while also focusing in on their own offer. As outlined in their manifesto earlier this week, that includes a plan to deliver 40,000 extra appointments a week at evenings and weekends, to double the number of NHS scanners and to oversee the biggest expansion of NHS staff in history by implementing a workforce plan. Now, obviously, all of this will involve finding extra money. Labour maintain that its plans are fully costed. They've earmarked an extra 1.8 billion for some of these extra pledges. But what their manifesto doesn't include is details of how much the NHS will receive overall under a Labour government. I put that to Sir Keir Starmer earlier today. We can have a listen to what he had to say.
So what we've set out in our manifesto is the first step, which is the down payment on the change that we need, and that is the 40,000 appointments each and every week to reduce the waiting list. That would be 2 million a year, and when we were last in government, we brought the waiting list down. I'm determined we'll do it again. It is a first step. We've also set out the money for the mental health professionals that we need in our communities, because it's taking far too long for people to get mental health appointments and the treatment and the support that they need.
So still question marks hanging over Labour's plan for health. And there are other assumptions too. For example, the extra 40,000 appointments that Labour are hoping to put on rely on NHS staff, existing NHS staff, working overtime. With so many of them already reporting that they're feeling burnt out, that may be a tall order.